just too thick. But he makes it. Isa pa lang naman yung golden break natin, no?
That's right.
Pisok-pasok, Romel Santos.
Ang bilis din ng
Really
tira
good.
niya, no?
Talagang wala nang isip-isip yan. Talagang
Ayun, no?
alam na niya.
Isang buwelo lang eh. Eto, konting gymnastics lang.
And he took his time there.
And from the looks of it, looks like double R. 4 players at his disposal. Kasi pangalawang ikot na ni Tristan to eh. Di nagtatagal ng 10 segundo eh.
Oo, di ba? Yan si Pisok.
Got it. The quickest run out
So far,
so
tonight.